how to link other devices on Signal. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will learn how we can link other devices on Signal. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to launch the Signal application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, to link other devices, head over to your profile icon at the top left and tap on it. Once you land in your settings page, you have to tap on the second option that says Linked Devices. Tap on it. Now you can link a new device. Tap on Link a New Device button, then provide your fingerprint of your device. Now you have to scan the QR code that is displayed on the device that you want to link. Once you have scanned the QR code, your device will be linked in the Signal. And that's how you can link other devices on Signal. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.